New. Okay.
New.
All right, lady, here we go.
Okay. Let's do this thing.
Yeah, so the first new product on the list this week is?
The Touchboard Starter Kit.
Yeah.
This is the Touchboard Starter Kit. If you really like capacitive inks and you want to play around with them and you want to build something with their Conductive and their Touchboard, this is a starter kit. I'll hold it up as well. It is super awesome. It comes with a ton of stuff. It's like really very nice. It comes with a tub of bare conductive paint, a tube of bare conductive paint, a capacitive touch board, this thing which has multiple little connections so you can connect conductive ink to it and make like touch sensors. And it has audio playing capability and a micro SD card so you can stick audio onto it. Also comes with an SD card with some tracks on it. Actually, what's really cool is the tracks are instructions. So when you plug it in, you can touch it and it will like tell you what to do. A bunch of stencils, a brush, a bunch of alligator clips, and a speaker kit, and a li-poly battery so you can charge this and make it portable, as well as a battery charger. You don't have to do any programming, although if you want, it is Arduino compatible. I think it's Arduino at heart, so you can use it with Arduino IDE. But it's basically like, this is interesting for people who are interested in art and interactive music and creativity, and they kind of want everything all together in one box. So this is Starter Kit will get you everything you need to do like conductive, paint, touch, reactive audio projects.
Okay. All right, next up, we've got LCDs.
This is a simple but elegant product. This is a LCD with the headers already soldered on. We have this in a pack or two, and so we're just kind of keeping it in the store as an individual item as well. It's just like a standard 16:2 LCD. We have them in the store unassembled, but if you don't mind paying another $1, you can get it with the header already soldered on. Might be handy for you. Okay. Looks like this, white on blue text.
Okay. And then I'd say tonight the star of the show besides you is the Picade.
Yeah, we have a couple different options, and that photos of the console. But I will. So let's talk about that first. So this console is a laser cut kit that you put together. So if you go back, you can see all the laser cut pieces. So this is what you get. You get a top, holder, sides, bottom, connectors, buttons, alligator clips, a joystick thingy. It's a pretty solid kit. You don't get a Raspberry Pi, but you put a Raspberry Pi inside. You can sort of see that there's one here.
Do you want to do the overhead so you can show what's inside of it?
Yeah, sure. I think I can maybe angle this up. Yes, here's a Raspberry Pi, so you can see there's an HDMI port.
So you supply the Raspberry Pi.
You supply the Raspberry Pi, but then you have audio going in, and then over here you can kind of see this is a Picade controller board. So this connects to all the different buttons. Let me zoom out. I'm zooming out.
Yeah, it's probably good it's going to go.
No, it's great. This is perfect. All the buttons connect to here, so there's all these, like, so you got 6 buttons and a joystick, and they connect to this board, which also does audio amplification, and then connects back to the Raspberry Pi, and so does all the key presses when you press the button. So it has an audio amplifier as well, and then there's a big speaker on the bottom, so you can see the speaker grill. And these keep it off the table so you can actually hear the audio. So basically what you do is, you build this kit, and it's fun. You only need a screwdriver. There's no soldering involved. And then you can hook it up to an HDMI monitor by plugging in HDMI here, and then you power it over micro USB. And basically, like, you've got your own sort of like fight stick. I don't know what the word for this is, like arcade stick with joystick up, down, left, right, and then like A, B, left, right, up, down, and then you also get 2 buttons on either side, so strafe buttons or like escape, start, and I believe it even comes with an SD card that has RetroPie installed, or they tell you where to get that. Oh, maybe it doesn't come with an SD card. You have to get an SD card and put RetroPie on it, and then you can play retro games. And then there's another version, which is the arcade full desktop kit.
Okay.
So can you, how do you want to do this?
What do you want to do?
Well, I have to kind of show this off.
Sure. How
do you want to do this? Do you want me to just like kind of move this around?
Well, yeah, sure. We can do that.
Whoa, wait, it's upside down.
Yeah, you're gonna be upside down. So I don't.
So how am I gonna do this?
Well, what's your goal?
I'm
with
trying to
this?
show the arcade thing.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, what do you think? Do you want to make? Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So you want to show the Picade?
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Do you want to turn off the light?
What? Why would I want to do that?
I don't know if it make it more visible. Okay, maybe not. So this is the Picade full kit. So it's basically a desktop arcade. You also get the same joystick, 6 buttons, the 2 buttons on the left, right, and then it also comes with a screen, so you can play, for example, like Doom or arcade games or like Pac-Man or whatever. And then turn it around. Oh wait.
Yeah. What is it attached to? I can hold it up in front of the camera if you want, because
It's attached to this
Okay.
USB hub back here.
If we have something like this in the future, maybe give me a little bit of a heads up. Because
And-
you're not going to be able to do anything with that.
Well, I'll just show it.
Let me see what else I can do here.
Okay. So here, I can show the back. So in here, there's a screen, and there's 2 speakers, and then there's also whoa.
Yeah, so I got another camera.
You got another camera?
Yeah, I'm going to try this out.
Okay.
All right. So,
What do you do?
well, we have a other camera.
Okay.
But yeah, if you can tell me next time. Here.
Oh wow, that's great.
Try this out.
Okay, so yay! So yes, this is the back of the arcade, and I opened it up. So yeah, there's speakers. There's a Raspberry Pi over here. There's an HDMI monitor, so you get really good quality sound. And then in the back there's also that controller that connects to the joystick. And then yeah, I've got it playing Doom right now, so you can I don't know play this game, which I'm not very good at. And I just died. Okay, but you can play any kind of retro arcade game. It comes with Doom because it's free, but you can also install, Nintendo emulators or Super Nintendo or Sega or Atari or MAME or what have you. You can download ROMs and install them. And this is just really fun because it's a nice little desktop arcade. It's very cute and compact, and you just have to power it over the micro USB.
Okay.
That's my demo.
I'm doing like service.
Okay. You can watch me play games.
Yeah, it's funny.
What?
So when things like don't work, like every device in the world tells me like every.
Oh, is it like your phone going like?
No, everything just blew up. It's just
Okay.
like, hey, we're down. Did you know?
Did you know we're down? Okay, and then finally, there's one last item, which is the controller board itself. So I'll just hold this up. So the board that is actually inside the Picade, both the desktop version and the arcade version, comes with this little board from Pimoroni, which says Picade in it in nice big letters. And this is, you can connect all the buttons up here to the screw terminals and over here and over here. And it has an audio amplifier built in, and then it also has a micro USB connection. And on here is basically an Arduino Leonardo. So when you plug it in, it looks like a keyboard, so you can turn all these buttons into like up arrow, down arrow, key presses. So basically it's perfect for making like little arcades because it's a built-in audio amp that you can use. And it looks like a keyboard, so you can use it not only with a Raspberry Pi, but with a BeagleBone Black or like a whatever board, like Minnow board or Banana Pi or PC Duino, or even, actually it can work with a Windows or Mac computer, because all it is an audio amplifier and then a USB keyboard. So this is another little add-on for DIY arcade projects.
Okay. And with that, lady, that's the new products for the week.
Okay.